turn to you now. Only Jesus I know unlocks the door and takes my place. Lord, I need your space. Put it all aside. I abide in your strength. I reside. Nothing left of me. Let it all empty. All that you see in my life. Let it free. A new life in Jesus claims. Letting go of these shames. Opening these doors of my life. Freedom, truth of Jesus, I see them open. I put my faith in, this is Jesus in us. Through the loneliness, overwhelming shadows of night, letting go. Jesus, take my will, all that I sow, take the blow. Only focusing to you, I know, make me new and grow, make me grow past the open doors. Let peace and mercy reign, let grace transform all of me. Accounting my cure, all the past it falls away. Only Jesus left to stay. Jesus is the way. Letting go. Jesus, take my role. All that I sow, away the blow. Focusing on you, I know the life it may grow.